Top 7 benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is all the rage these days. Many restaurants serve it routinely, and some people start their day with lemon water instead of coffee or tea. There's no doubt that lemons are delicious, but does adding them to water make you healthier? Here are some ways your body may benefit from lemon water. Number 1. It promotes hydration. According to the Food and Nutrition Board, general guidelines say that women should get at least 91 ounces per day and men should get at least 125 ounces. This includes water from food and drinks. Water is the best beverage for hydration, but some people don't like the taste of it on its own. Adding lemon enhances water's flavor, which may help you drink more. Number 2. It's a good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. You have probably heard that vitamin C may help prevent or limit the duration of the common cold in some people, but studies are conflicting. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke and low blood pressure, while lemons don't top the list of citrus fruits high in vitamin C. They are still a good source. The recommended daily amount for adults is 65 to 90 milligrams. Number 3. It supports weight loss. Research has shown that polyphenol antioxidants found in lemons significantly reduces weight gain in mice that are overfed in order to induce obesity. In these mice studies, the antioxidant compounds also offset the negative effects on blood glucose level and improved insulin resistance, the two main factors in the development of type 2 diabetes. Number 4. It improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. How water improves skin is controversial, but one thing is certain. If your skin loses moisture, it becomes dry and prone to wrinkles. Number 5. It aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. Ayurvedic medicine says the sour lemon taste helps stimulate your agni. In Ayurvedic medicine, a strong agni jumpstarts the digestive system, allowing you to digest food more easily and helping to prevent the buildup of toxins. Number 6. It freshens breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hand to get rid of the smell of garlic and some other strong odor? The same folk remedy may apply to bad breath caused by eating foods with strong smells such as garlic, onion, or fish. You may avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first drink in morning. Lemon is thought to stimulate saliva, and water also prevents a dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath caused by bacteria. Number 7. It helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time.